Hey there, welcome to the channel. Before you dive into the world of YouTube automation, there's something you need to know: the unfiltered truth. Before diving into YouTube automation, it's crucial to grasp the unvarnished reality. Despite the plethora of gurus touting the monetary gains awaiting you in the realm of YouTube automation, few shed light on the hurdles and stark truths you'll inevitably confront. The veracity is, while YouTube automation can yield substantial profits, it also holds the potential to be an exercise in futility if you're ill-prepared for its challenges. Let's dissect what YouTube automation truly entails. Initially, YouTube channels predominantly featured real individuals as hosts. However, a pivotal moment arrived when an ingenious yet indolent individual opted to forego appearing on camera, instead opting for voiceovers in the comfort of their home. Thus, with the amalgamation of voiceovers and stock footage, YouTube automation was born. My journey into YouTube automation commenced with fervor, fueled by the allure of effortless success. Witnessing claims of channels amassing millions of views and substantial earnings, I embarked on my own automation endeavor. However, reality soon set in. My first venture into a compilation channel banking on viral memes faltered. Despite meticulous editing and high hopes, initial views were lackluster. Eventually, a viral breakthrough did occur, but monetization hurdles soon surfaced. Compilation content proved challenging to monetize within YouTube's guidelines, rendering my substantial viewership essentially futile. And thus, YouTube automation was born. When I first heard about YouTube automation, I was intrigued. I love YouTube, and the idea of automation sounded like a dream. But reality hit hard. Undeterred, I pivoted towards a niche focusing on personal finance, aligning with purported high CPM niches. Utilizing freelancers for editing and AI for scripting, I crafted content aimed at financial literacy. Initial successes were marred by subsequent failures, highlighting the ephemeral nature of YouTube success. Reflection upon these failures yielded invaluable insights. Firstly, the absence of a distinct brand identity detracted from viewer engagement. Secondly, inadequate investment in both time and resources hindered sustainable growth. Contrary to its moniker, YouTube automation is far from automated. Success hinges upon meticulous planning, quality content, and a dedicated following. Navigating this landscape demands commitment, investment, and an understanding of the realities at play. In essence, YouTube automation is akin to YouTube management, requiring strategic foresight and ongoing effort. Embracing this reality is paramount to navigating the YouTube landscape effectively. In closing, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. The allure of quick gains must be tempered with the acknowledgement of long-term commitment. By understanding the realities of YouTube automation, one can make informed decisions and navigate this dynamic platform with clarity. I remain committed to sharing the unfiltered truth despite industry pressures, because an informed community fosters genuine growth. The journey was far from easy. I realized two crucial things: building a brand is essential, and YouTube automation isn't as automated as it seems. So if you're considering YouTube automation, remember these four things: niche selection, investment, talent acquisition, and managing expectations. YouTube automation isn't a shortcut to success. It's a marathon that requires dedication and hard work. I'm sharing this because I believe in transparency, so if you appreciate the truth, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Until next time.